Hi dear parents, welcome back to another math hour. Today I'm just going to show you how to find the formula of a geometric sequence. In my previous video we did the we did the arithmetic sequence, and today I'll show you the difference in a geometric sequence. Let me begin first by writing the formula of a geometric sequence. So the formula of a geometric sequence is a sub n, which is equal to a sub 1 multiplied by this letter r to the power of n minus 1. Now again, as always, let me explain what everything means. A sub n is just this common symbol meaning sequence. So you don't have to worry about that. It just means sequence. A sub 1, if you remember from my previous video, simply means the starting number, the first number in a sequence. Okay. Now the magic of this thing is r. R has a special name, and that is called a common ratio. And of course, n, as always, simply means the term number. Alright? Now I'm going to show you some examples, and we're going to try to identify each of these values here. Let's start with, how about something simple? Let's do 3, 9, 27, and 81, and so on and so on and so on. There we go. What we have here is a sequence. So now we need to identify what each of these symbols represents in terms of the numbers. Let's start with the most easiest thing in the world. A of 1. What's the starting number of the sequence? Starting number means first number, and that's got to be 3. Okay? Next, let's find the R, the common ratio. Now, in an arithmetic sequence, if you remember, it was all about adding and subtracting. But in a geometric sequence, there's only one math operation you need to think about, and that is multiplying. That's it. There's no division, there's nothing else. It's simply multiplying. So, when you go and take a look at these numbers in our sequence, you have to ask yourself, how did I go from 3 to 9? What did I multiply in order to go from 3 to 9? And in order to find this out, you can just take the second term number, 9, and you can just do 9 divided by the first term number, which is 3, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 got me 9. I'm still not sure. Let me check the other one. 9 times some number got me 27. Well, if I do 27 divided by 9, it's 3. That looks like it was working. And then if I check with this one, 27 times 3 is definitely 81. So there we go. That is my common ratio. My common ratio is a positive 3. As you can see. You see that? So common ratio simply means what number did you multiply in order to go from one number to the next number to the next number and so on. It's got to be the same number. Okay? Now that you know this, let's just plug into our equation. So my equation was a of n, or a sub n, is equal to a sub 1, the first number, which is 3, multiplied by the common ratio, which is also 3, to the power of n minus 1. And there we go. We have found the formula of this particular geometric sequence. This is how you do it, okay? Let me show you another example. This time with fractions. It's the same technique, okay? So don't be scared of fractions. Let me give you the sequence here. Let's start with, how about 1 over 5, comma 1 over 10, then 1 over 15, no, sorry, 1 over 20, and 1 over 40, and so on, and so on, and so on. Okay? I would like to find the geometric sequence of this particular sequence right here. How do I do it? Well, I need my A1, the first starting number, and as you can see, the starting number is 1 over 5. Okay, that's easy enough. Next, I need my common ratio. I need to figure out what did I multiply by 1 over 5 in order to get 1 over 10. If I don't know how to do this straightforward, then I can go in reverse. I can do 1 over 10 divided by 1 over 5 to find that common ratio. And if you remember how to divide fractions, you know the KCF rule. Keep, change, and flip. And you just multiply straight this way. 5 times 1 is 5, 10 times 1 is 10, and of course you simplify. When you simplify this, 5 over 10 becomes a half. So I multiplied 1 over 5 by half to get 1 over 10. I'll check over here. 1 over 10 times a half will definitely get me 1 over 20. 1 over 20 multiplied by half will definitely get me 1 over 40. So that is confirmed. My common ratio is a half. And now that I know this, kids, let's just plug it into our formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1, which is equal to 1 over 5, multiplied by my common ratio, which is a half, to the power of n minus 1. And that's it. This is how you find the formula of a geometric sequence. Basic, okay? Just find the A1, find the common ratio, plug it in, and you're done. Thank you.